Hi everyone, today we are parameterizing, drawing and display of straight skirts. So first we open up the spreadsheet, the edit. Here we can manually enter our model number. We can also open Excel spreadsheets that we have prepared in advance. And it's done! Click here to select different colors to distinguish between models. Click OK after completion. Next, we check. If it is turned on, switch formula or free model. Make sure it is turned on. We use the Intelligent Pen tool. To start drawing, first, we draw a large outline. Here, enter the formula. Hip divided by 4 plus 1 plus 0.65. For the vertical direction, we enter the formula. Skirt length minus waistband width. Click OK after finishing. Here we switch our line. Next, find our auxiliary line. We pull this line down. Click it at any position. Enter our formula hip 4. OK. Got the position of our auxiliary line. Next, we can find the 1/3 of this line. To draw our hip line, we can pull this line down again and enter our formula. Hips for 3/2. Done. Click OK. Next, use the Compare Length tool. Click on this line. After it turns green, we click Record. In the table, Measurement var, we change its name. I'll abbreviate it here. In general, we can record it as back pattern hip width. Click OK. Next, we will draw our waistline. Use the Intelligent Pen tool to drag this line and drop it down by 0.7. Enter 0.7 and click OK. Click OK. Place the Intelligent Pen tool at the starting point of the drop. Double-click Enter. Then place it at the starting position again. Enter. Input number 1. Then put it at the end. Enter. Enter our formula. Use this formula to calculate the waist curve offset, where the negative sign indicates downward direction. We enter the size 1 on the y-axis. Then click OK. Now a line appears. Right-click the blank area with the mouse. Next, we use the Set Line Type tool to switch our line to a dotted line. Then click on our auxiliary line. Use the mouse to right-click the blank space again. In this little bit, find Reference Primitive tool. We can use it. Select the 3 dotted lines we just set that affect the drawing. Here our Reference Primitive tool shows an unopened state, which will not affect our drawing. Next, we replace the line with a straight line. Continue to use the Intelligent Pen tool. Let's draw our side seam first. Click from this point at the end of our hip line. Double-click Enter, and then place it at the end of the hemline. Press Enter. Enter the translation amount of 1, click OK. Right-click the blank area. Next, let's create our dart. We use the Angle tool. Find this position of 3 equal parts on the waistline. We can enter 3 here, then click on this line. Now there are 2 green dots on the line. Click on the left one and pull it down along the green line. Enter the length of our dart, which is 1, Click OK. Then we use the V-Dart tool. Click the line, Enter our formula. Open parenthesis back pattern hip width minus open parenthesis waist divided by 4 plus 1 close parenthesis multiplied by 0.75 divided by 2. Click OK after finishing. Now 3 green lines appear. We can click on the dots on the green line to edit and adjust. Right-click the blank area after completion. Then we use the Angle Line tool. At the halfway of this line, to draw the next dart. Here we changed the number to 2. Click on the dart. Click on this line. Click on its half. And pull it down along the green line. Enter the length of the dart 10. Click OK after completion. Next we use the V-Dart tool. Click the line, Enter our formula. Open parenthesis back pattern hip width minus open parenthesis waist divided by 4 plus 1 close parenthesis multiplied by 0.75 divided by 2. After that, click OK. Now a green line appears. We can click on its points to adjust it. Right-click the mouse after completion. Next, we switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. To adjust these 2 parts, using the Intelligent Pen tool, box it. Right-click on the inside of it. Box it. Right-click on the inside. Next we draw the front of our straight skirt. Next, we continue to use the Intelligent Pen tool. To draw a box, here we enter the formula. Hips for 1. For the vertical, we enter the formula. Skirt length WB width. Click OK. Now let's draw our guides. We drag this thread down with the Intelligent tool to any position. Enter our formula. Hips divided by 4 centimeters. Then we use the divider tool. We will divide this part into 3 equal parts. We can directly click the number 3. And then click this point to this point. Right-click the mouse. Switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Click it to thirds. Right-click to switch to the T-shaped tool. Connect to the other side. Let's use the Compare Length tool to measure it first. Measure the width of our front piece's hip. Click after it turns green. Record it in Table Measurement var. Change its name inside. Here I use abbreviations instead. Then switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Place it at this point. Double-click the Enter key, then place it at this point again. Press Enter. Enter the translation amount of -1. Then put it at the end. Enter our formula by pressing Enter. Open parenthesis front pattern hip width minus open parenthesis waist divided by 4 minus 1 close parenthesis divided by 4. Enter our number 1 vertically. And click OK after entering the number 1. Right-click the blank area. Then we draw the side seam line first. Place the Intelligent Pen tool at this point. Click it. Place it at the end of the left half of the hip line. Double-click Enter. Place it at the point on the left of the trouser opening. Press Enter. Enter its offset of 1. Click OK. Right-click the blank area. Next, we can use the Set Line Type tool. First, transform the auxiliary line. Transform into a dashed line. Then use the Reference Primitive tool. Lock the auxiliary lines we don't need. Then switch to the Angle Line tool. We still find the third equinox of it. Click the line. Here is already the number 3. Then click the green dot on it and pull it down. Enter the length we found 9 and click OK. Next, continue to use the V-Dart tool. Click the line, then enter the formula. Open parenthesis front pattern hip width minus open parenthesis waist divided by 4 minus 1 close parenthesis multiplied by 0.75 divided by 2. Right-click on the blank space after completion. Find the midpoint of this line. We can enter the number to here. Then click the line. Click on the green dot and pull it down along the green line. Enter the length of our dart, 8. Click OK after finishing. Then we continue to use the V-Dart tool. Click the line. Enter our formula. Front pattern hip width waist for 1075-2. Click OK after completion. Now the green line. We can click on the points on the line to adjust it. Then right-click the mouse to complete. Next, we draw the waist. We first use the Compare Length tool to measure the back waistband width and the front waistband width. Click Record after it turns green. Click Record after it turns green here. Then we are in the table measurement var. To change their names, just change it to a name that is easy for you to remember. I'll just abbreviate it. Click OK after finishing. Then we use the Intelligent Pen tool to draw a rectangle. Enter the length of the waistband after drawing, plus the front waistband width. Use the waistband width for the width. Click OK. And then we draw the placket. Click this point with the Intelligent Pen tool. Right-click to switch to Ladder tool and pull it out. Enter its length 3.5. Then put it at this point. Right-click and drag it out. Right-click again. Switch to the right angle direction we are satisfied with. Then connect it to our waist. Then we use the buttonhole tool. Place it at this point. Press Enter. Enter its offset of 1.75. Upward offset we use waist width divided by 2. Click OK after finishing. Then we use a drill tool to put it at this point. Press Enter. Enter our translation amount -1.75. Width here use waist width divided by 2. Click OK after that. The radius of the button here is a bit small. We can right-click it. Modify the radius here to 0.75. Click OK. Next, we use the mirror tool. Select our axis of symmetry. Select the line and button we want to copy. Right-click after finishing. Select the axis of symmetry again. Select the place we want to copy. Right-click after completion. OK. The parametric drawing of our straight skirt is done. Next, let's change the size to see the effect. Open the table, the edit. Select Replace. OK. Notice that now we have all the structure lines have followed our size change, have changed accordingly. The parametric drawing and effect display of the straight skirt is here.